We've developed our tax program called Tax GPS Plus, and that's important because that allows you to monitor what you're doing throughout the year. Most people in their tax situation, they really just hold off on everything till the end of the year, and then they kind of get the information off to their accountant, and then it's a big surprise, sometimes even a bomb when it comes back as to what's required. You know, is there an unexpected $50,000 tax bill or whatever it might be? But it's always rear view mirror thinking, you know. And if I left my office here today and did nothing but look in the rear view mirror as I'm trying to go home, I'm going to have some real problems. I'll probably get into an accident, right? You can't get anywhere by looking strictly through the rear view mirror. But unfortunately, that's the way the CPA profession has worked for many, many years. We look at it a little differently. Our Tax GPS program looks out the windshield. We want you to look ahead. We want to limit the amount of surprises. So with us, you're working year-round on your tax and financial goals. So throughout the year, we give you a snapshot as to where you are, whether that be in June or September or November. It's not just a once-a-year program. And when you sign up for Tax GPS Plus, you're signing up for 1 year's worth of service, 12 months where we work with you, and it's kind of, the idea is it's going to be all-inclusive. So you don't have to worry about whether you should call us or email us about an issue. We've taken all those barriers away because we want to help you. The rule here at the Plack Group is if it's legal and if it's ethical and if it can help our client, we want to do it. And that goes way beyond just simply filling out tax forms. I like to say any monkey can fill out the tax forms, but what we do is we get paid for our advice, and we want to see you and your family move forward on all of your tax and financial goals. So we also coordinate with your financial planner to make sure that we're part of your team. Also, we help you with some basic financial planning issues like estate planning, wills and trusts, taking a look at your overall retirement plan situation. Now, we don't pick out individual stocks and bonds or anything like that. We don't sell any investments. We have no axe to grind. We just are gonna give you a good, independent evaluation of your situation. And during our year's service, you know, you can bring up any questions like that, and most of those will all be included as part of your service. Well, Tax GPS Plus is not for everyone, that's for sure. If you have a very simple tax situation, we're probably not the right fit for you because we have highly trained, experienced people here who'll be working on your tax work. So we work with people who have a little more complexity in their situation. Oftentimes they're in higher income levels, and or they own a business, or they have another type of twist in their situation, and they want to have service. The first thing we do when you sign up with us is we're going to review your last 3 years' tax returns because we want to make sure that there are no opportunities to go back, and also sometimes there are opportunities to go back and amend returns for some errors that have taken place. That's not always the case, but we do always review and make sure that also we're making changes prospectively going forward so that you can be sure you're paying the least amount of tax. Part of our program here is we always do a 3-level review. So when we do your tax work, there's going to be a preparer, there's going to be a reviewer, and then there's going to be a high-level reviewer as well. And that's important because somebody could be having a bad day, but we want to make sure that you're paying the least amount of tax possible and that we've uncovered all of the deductions that are there. So the idea is if somebody's having a bad day, certainly 3 people are probably not going to be having a bad day. So we have 3 levels of review. Sometimes we call that a triple check review, to make sure that you're paying the least amount of tax possible. We understand that that's our job here. Anybody can just fill out tax returns. That's not what we're doing. We're all about looking for tax savings for you. Everybody here wants to help you move forward. And you're gonna feel that when you work with us. You're gonna feel that we've got your back. That's our game plan, is to make sure that we've got your back.